Guys, the recording died.
Uh-oh.
The recording died.
Guys, he never brushed his teeth. His teeth are yellow.
Free angry sun attack. Oh, it's another day, another savannah. Oh, another savannah. I thought it would be. I want to show you guys my angry sun. Represent the new Super Mario Bros. Wii Test Texture Pack. The Happy Moon. He's called Happy Moon, but he looks like he wants to kill me somehow. Nostalgia? Get in there. Just a leaf. Oh, come on. Oh, just a sec. No. When I'm recording videos, I can't share my screen on the TV because it says, "Oh, your screen." Oh my God! No! I feel like my jump is floaty. Ah! My jump's a little floaty. No! Guys, I swear to God, no hacky hacks. Yes! What the hell is... Get out of here! My sister's watching Brain Rot.
Yeah, she is.
But why are you watching Brian Rot? Brian, you're watching Brian. Leave! Thank you for leaving. If I could, you little... Man, I really want to say the... Yeah, F word on... the letter F, N, U to the hammer, bro. Type, everybody in the comments, type F-U hammer, bro. Oh my God. Please don't be going. Stop. They don't count as coins.
Oh no!
No cuts this time. F the hammer, bro. Everybody, type F-U hammer, bro. Say F-U hammer, bro.
F-U hammer, bro.
Yeah, that was just cheap of the hammer, bro, to just throw a hammer while I was gliding. I need to make a mod that you can just hold to glide. Because I don't like spamming. Jump and fly, da-ba-doo-da-da-da. Okay, just do that. Come on, Spike. I like this gimmick. Ah! No! Salani Gaga! Guys, never say Salani Gaga. Big Boo's Death Mansion. No, I don't want to die. Big Doof Mansion. Is this for the deaf boos? Like the boos that can't hear anything? my god! Typhoon, my nuts! Typhoon, my nuts! Whoop, whoopee, hoppada hoop, hop hop, he poo poo. No, I can't see you, little. Now I'm Porsche. I am Porsche. I know why is it the deaf man suit, and I just completely skipped that blue. Oh, I gotta survive. I gotta survive the booze. Not thinking. I gotta survive with these. No, they killed themselves. Wow, see what the cap cut. I hate cap cuts. I just did some simple edits of samples, not just new feature that looks pretty. No one killing a goat. He killed him. He kinda deserved it. They didn't get karma. You expect me to be moving? Guys, you expect me to be moving? Position. Correct. Come on, I need some water. I need a cup of water. Oh, water. Guys, wait, I'm gonna go get a cup of water.
Guys, he never sits in his room. He always sits on his mom's room. No. Look, except for his room. I need some water. Water break.
Well, how do you have it on?
Huh? You should know. No, don't touch it.
Guys, I'm back.